Hey everybody, this is Andrew Connell, and I'm excited to tell you about another SPFest conference coming up, and we're going to have workshops to it. I can't wait to see you there in person. Huh? Oh, they're virtual? Oh, then we don't need these. Hey, this workshop is coming up in January. It's January the 19th and the 20th, and it's a full day workshop that we've broken up into two blocks. We've got two sections, 4 hours on January the 19th, 4 hours on January the 20th. This workshop is called Developers Learn How to Use the SharePoint Framework to Customize and Extend SharePoint. Now, what this workshop is all about is for those of you who have no experience with the SharePoint Framework or have a very little bit of experience. I'm going to explain what the SharePoint Framework is. I'm going to walk you through what you need to do to set up your laptop and what you need to start building and customizing SharePoint using the SharePoint Framework. And then we're going to dive in and we're going to get our hands dirty. We're going to build web parts. I'm going to show you how to incorporate external libraries in your project because you're probably going to want to end up doing that. I'm going to talk to you about what the deployment story looks like and show you how to also get data from external systems and calling different APIs that are either in SharePoint data from using the SharePoint APIs or calling APIs using the Microsoft Graph or secured APIs that have been secure with Azure AD or anonymous APIs and calling those and integrating that data inside the SharePoint framework as well. We got a lot of stuff that we're going to cover. I'm going to make sure that you have access to all of the slides, all of the demos that I'm going to do. You can have all the sample code. You have access to all of that stuff. And then as a kicker, what I'm going to do as well is that I'm also going to take whatever you spent to register for the workshop, and I'm going to apply that to a discounted registration on my Mastering the SharePoint Framework course, the Ultimate Bundle, which is 35 hours of a ton of content, over 240 lessons, over 70 sample projects for learning the SharePoint Framework if you want to take your experience to the next level. Of course, you don't have to do that. It's just an offer that I'm going to extend to everybody who registers for this workshop at SPFest. But you can just take the workshop at SPFest and we can just go from there. I really hope to see you at this workshop. I really hope that we have a great experience. We've done this before and we had a really good experience with everybody. So I'm looking forward to hopefully seeing you and joining you in the middle of January for my workshop at SPFest, Developers Learning How to Use the SharePoint Framework to Customize and Extend SharePoint. Hope to see you there.